Grandma, can you tell us a story? I am feeling bored.
Okay, come here all of you. I will tell you the story of two silly cats. Once, there were two cats. They found a samosa on the road. They both wanted it and started fighting for it. A clever monkey was watching all this from the top of a tree. He came down and said that he could help them. The cats were happy. They gave the samosa to the monkey. The monkey broke the samosa into 2 pieces and gave 1 piece to each cat. One cat felt that the other one had a bigger piece. So, the monkey said he could make it equal by biting a bit into the bigger piece. Now, the other cat felt that its share had become smaller. He complained to the monkey. Then, the monkey ate a bit of the other cat's share. It kept going on like that, and finally, no samosa was left. The monkey had eaten all of it.
What a silly pair of cats, Grandma. They shouldn't have fought. See, they didn't get to eat anything in the end. The monkey was also very clever. If the cats had come to me, I would have broken the samosa into equal halves.
Oh, Chinu, even you would have eaten the samosa. Meenu, Meenu, help, help.
Oh, stop it, both of you. Chinu, I have a chocolate with me. I will share it with both of you.
I don't want chocolate. I will drink my honey. It is sweeter. Both of you can share the chocolate. Show me. How will you share it?
Look, Buzz, this is the chocolate. Now, I will break it into 2. Chinu gets this half and I get this half.
Chinu, don't fight with Meenu now. It looks like an equal half to me.
I don't fight for silly things. Thank you, Meenu.
Meenu, do you know how to write 1/2?
Yes, Grandma. My teacher taught me in school.
How do you write 1/2?
Okay, go get me a small stick, Buzz. I will tell you how to write. Thank you, Buzz. Watch carefully. We write half like this. Half.
Why do you write 1 on top of 2?
I will tell you, Buzz. This 2 means that there are 2 parts. 1 on top means 1 part of 2. So 2 is the whole and 1 is a part of the whole thing. See, Meenu broke the chocolate into 2. Each of us got 1 part of that. So we got 1 part of 2. That is why we write 1 upon 2.
Meenu, Chinu, Here, have a biscuit. But I have only one biscuit. You both have to share it.
I know how you have to share it, Meenu. You break it into 2 halves and each of you will get half.
That's right, Buzz. Let me do it. I will break the biscuit into 2 halves. Each of us will get 1 half. So, we write it like this. One by 2.
Buzz, what is that noise? It's coming from that tree. Will you go and check?
Let me go check and come. Oh, Meenu, Cheenu, come quickly. The parrots are fighting.
Parrot, stop. Stop. Why are you fighting?
Meenu, we found this roti near the tea shop. Now we want to share it. Between the 4 of us, we don't know how to do it, and everyone is fighting.
Don't fight, parrot. We will help you share the roti.
But Cheenu, you only know how to do it in half. You can divide things between 2 people. How will you divide it between 4 parrots?
It's simple, Buzz. Parrot, give me the roti. Now first, I will tear it and make it into 2 parts. Then I will again make 2 parts from each of this part. How many parts do I have now?
Oh, that's very nice, Cheenu. You have 4 parts of the roti. Now all of us have an equal share and we will not fight. Thank you, Cheenu.
Now, each of them got 1 part out of 4 parts. How will you write this, Meenu?
Let me write with this stick. We have to write one by 4.
1 by 4? But why?
I will tell you why. Here, the whole is 4 parts. Each of them got 1 part out of the whole of 4 parts. That is why we have to write 1 by 4. It is also called a quarter.
So, half and quarter. But Cheenu, first you made 2 halves of the roti and then made each half into 2 more pieces. Each of those parts is 1 by 4, right?
That's right, Buzz. Now think. 2 parts of these 4 parts make 1 half, right?
How? How did you do that?
I can't show it to you with the roti, Buzz, these parrots have started eating them. How do I show it to you?
Meenu, I have this piece of paper in my pocket. You can show it to Buzz with this.
Oh, that's good, Chinu. I can show with this paper. First, let me fold this paper into 2 halves. And I will tear it in the middle. Now, I will fold each half again and tear it in the middle. See, I have 4 parts of the paper. So, I have 4 times 1 by 4. Buzz, look, when I join these 2 small parts, they become a half. So, that's how 2 parts of 4 parts makes 1 half. So, 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2.
Now I know how. It is very easy. So, if you make 5 parts of anything, each part will be 1 by 5.
That's right, Buzz. If you make 3 parts, each part will be 1/3. Look, I will take one of these small pieces of paper that Meenu tore. If I fold it into 3 pieces, and tear them, each of them will be 1/3.
Come, let's go home now. I am hungry.
Children, come here. Ramu came home. His cow has given birth to a healthy calf. So, he has given us a milk sweet. I have made 4 parts of it. One for Meenu, one for Chinu, one for Buzz, and one for me. Here, take your share.
Oh, Grandma, I know. You have made it 1 by 4 each. But I don't like milk sweet. I will give my share to Meenu. I know she likes milk sweet a lot.
Thank you, Buzz. Now I have 1 by 2 of the milk sweet. My share of 1 by 4, and you have given me your share of 1 by 4.
I know 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. So, you got half the milk sweet. Grandma, you and Chinu each have 1 by 4 of the milk sweet.
That's right, Buzz. Can you now tell how much milk sweet Meenu and Chinu have together?
Meenu has 2 by 4. Chinu has 1 by 4. Let me see it with the milk sweet pieces. They both together have 3 parts of 4.
That's right, Buzz. I will tell you how to write this. It is written like this. Three by 4.
Oh, 3 by 4?
It is also called 3/4.
Fresh vegetables. Red tomatoes, green peas, cabbage, beans. Fresh vegetables.
Oh, I need some vegetables. Children, will you go out and ask the vegetable vendor to wait? I will go in and get some money.
Yes, Grandma. Chinu, come. Good morning, Uncle. Please wait. Our grandma wants to buy some vegetables. Uncle, what is the cost of these tomatoes?
It is rupees 10 a kg. How much do you want?
Give me half a kg.
Half a kilo? I know which weight Uncle has to put on the weigh scale. It is this one. But how much will you pay for half a kilo, Grandma?
Look, he said 1 kilo costs rupees 10. I want only half a kilo. Half a kilo is half of 1 kilo. So, I have to give him half of rupees 10.
I know, Grandma. Half a kilo tomato costs 5 rupees. 1 kilo costs 10 rupees. So, half a kilo costs 5 rupees.
That's right, Minu. Now, what is the cost of carrot?
It costs rupees 20 a kilo. How much should I give you, Grandma?
I only want a quarter kilo.
Oh, how do we calculate this now?
I will tell you, Buzz. 1 kilo costs 20 rupees. Grandma wants a quarter kilo. You know quarter is 1/4. She wants only 1/4 of a kilo. She has to pay only 1/4 of 20 rupees. Now we have to divide 20 by 4.
Divide 20 by 4? But why?
See, 20 is for the whole of 1 kilo. Now, we want to find the cost of 1 by 4 of 20. So, we have to divide 20 by 4. Now, try to remember your multiplication table for 4. It is easier to divide that way.
I know. I will try to remember from my mind.
4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20.
Wait. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. So, when we divide 20 by 4, we will get 5. That is, 20 by 4 is equal to 5. So, the cost of quarter kilo of carrots is 5 rupees.
Now I know. Grandma, just buy 1 kilo of anything. It is easier to calculate.
Oh, So I have to buy 1 kilo so that you can calculate easily. What will I do with so much of vegetables? Okay, tell me, what is the cost of onions?
Rupees 10 for a kilo, Grandma.
Give me a kilo. I am not just buying so that it's easy for you, Buzz. I need 1 kilo.
Let me calculate, Grandma. It was 5 rupees for the tomatoes, 5 more rupees for the carrots, and now 10 rupees for the onions. So it is 20 rupees in all.
Okay, keep that in mind, Chinu. I want more vegetables. Tell me, what is the cost of these peas?
It is rupees 4 for quarter kilo.
Oh, what has happened to him now? He is telling us the cost for quarter kilo. Grandma, how many kilos do you want?
Buzz, I want half a kilo of peas.
Buzz, it's simple. I will tell you how to do it. Quarter kilo is 4 rupees. You know 2 times quarter is half. Remember, 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2.
Yes, I know. 2 by 4 is equal to 1 by 2. Now I will calculate. Quarter kilo is 4 rupees. So half a kilo will be 2 times 4. That is 2 multiplied by 4, which is 8. So it is 8 rupees. Half a kilo peas is for 8 rupees.
Buzz, you are getting smarter. Grandma, now I will calculate for you. You had to pay the vegetable vendor 20 rupees for tomatoes, carrots, and onions. Now I have to add 8 rupees more to it. So it is 28 rupees now. Do you want to buy something else also, Grandma?
Just potatoes now. How much does it cost?
It is rupees 8 a kilo, Grandma. How much should I give you?
Give me 3/4 of a kilo.
Oh, who is going to calculate now?
I will do it, Buzz. Listen carefully. He said rupees 8 a kilo. So, half a kilo costs rupees 4. Now, do half of that.
Why half of that?
If we do half of that, we will get the price for quarter of a kilo. So, half of 4 is 2. So, it is 2 rupees for quarter of a kilo. Now, Grandma wants to buy 3 by 4 of a kilo. We know 1 by 4 costs 2 rupees.
I know now. We have to do 3 times 2. 3 multiplied by 2, which is 6. So, 3 by 4 of a kilo costs 6 rupees. Oh, it's like this. 1 kilo of potato costs 8 rupees So 3 by 4 of a kilo costs 6 rupees. Chinu, now you have to add 6 rupees to 28 rupees.
I know, Buzz. It is 28 plus 6, which is 34. Grandma, you have to give 34 rupees to this uncle.
Here, take rupees 40 and give me back my change. Give me some coriander leaves and green chilies also.
Uncle, you have to give back 6 rupees to Grandma. I know 40 minus 34 is equal to 6.
Grandma, these children are very smart. And so is this Buzz. Here, please take your vegetables. Bye, children.
Bye, Uncle. Grandma, I will carry the bag inside for you. Meenu, then we will play.
Meenu, what shall we play now?
I will tell you. Look, there are 4 leaves here. Can you take away half the number of leaves?
Oh, yes, I can. Look, 2 leaves each.
Okay, here I am. Meenu, you can do this. I have 8 books. Can you take away half the number of books?
Yes, Chinu. Look, 4 each. Now look, these are your 16 marbles. Can you take away half?
Yes, Meenu. Look, 8 each. Now let's play another game. Buzz, I will draw something for you. You have to give the answer. I have colored some portion in red. Can you tell me what it is?
It is half. By 2.
Very good, Buzz. Now, Meenu, can you tell me this? How much is the portion that I have colored green?
Chinu, it is 3 by 4. Now you tell me this. How much is the portion that I have colored blue?
It is 1/4. Now, Buzz, you tell me. This portion that I have colored green, what is that?
Oh, Chinu, I don't know this. You always ask me wrong questions.
Buzz, it is not wrong. You know it. It is simple. It is a whole. It is the full thing. Friends, don't you think halves and quarters are fun? You can also play something like this with your friends.
Will you tell loudly how much of the whole is colored? One by 2 or half? One by 4 or quarter? 3/4 or 3/4. 4/4 or whole. Will you take your notebook and pencils, friends? I will wait for you. Buzz will give a part of the shape and let us color that part of the shape. 1/2 or half. 3/4 or 3/4. 1/4 or quarter. 1/2 or half. 1/4 or quarter. 1/2 or half. 3/4 or 3/4. 1 by 2 or half? One by 4 or quarter? Four by 4 or whole? Shall we help Buzz match the following? 2 by 4, one by 2, 4 by 4, 1 whole, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 1 whole, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, 1 whole. Shall we match the following? 1 meter, 100 centimeters, 1/2 meter, 50 centimeters, 1/4 meter, 25 centimeters, 3/4 meter, 75 centimeters.
Friends, Buzz needs help. Will you help him? But you have to answer loudly.
Sheena went to buy milk. Her mother asked her to buy half liter of milk. 1 liter of milk costs 14 rupees. How much should Sheena pay the milkman for half liter of milk? 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. 7 rupees. Sheena should pay 7 rupees to the milkman. In Meenu's class, there are 28 children. Half of them are girls and half are boys. How many children are girls and how many are boys? "28 divided by 2 is equal to 14. "14 are girls and 14 are boys." Buzz has 12 flowers. 1/4 of the flowers are yellow. How many flowers are yellow? 12 divided by 4, which is equal to 3. 3 flowers are yellow. Ismail has 16 balloons. 3/4 of the balloons are red in color. How many balloons are red? 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. So, 1/4 of 16 is equal to 4. Now we have to find 3/4 of 16. So, it is 3 times 1/4. So, it is 3 multiplied by 4, which is equal to 12. 12 balloons are red in color. Babulal has 2 dozen bananas in his banana tree. Half of them are ripe and half are not ripe. How many are ripe and how many are not? One dozen is equal to 12. 2 dozen is equal to 12 into 2, which is equal to 24. Now 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12. So 12 bananas are ripe and 12 bananas are not ripe. Sheenu has 20 marbles. A quarter of them are violet in color and the rest are pink in color. How many marbles are violet and how many are pink? One-fourth plus 3/4 is equal to 1. One-fourth are violet in color. So 3/4 are pink in color. Twenty divided by 4 is equal to 5. Twenty minus 5 is equal to 15. 15 are pink.